How to install Ragnarok Labyrinth NFT, the grand launching last April 27. So as you can see guys, this item isn't available in your country. And first step, you need to download and open the VPN master and connect. Select United States location, then connect, and then go back. And then as you can see, now already connected. And then go back to Play Store and use another Gmail account. Then go back. And then we need to check now. This Ragnarok Labyrinth NFT is now ready to download. So now, this is the simplest way how to download Ragnarok Labyrinth NFT games that isn't available in your country. Thanks for watching and see you in my next vlogs.